Welcome to our last lesson. Last lesson, I say, because it's the last of the 7 lessons. And next Friday is just solving problems and answering questions. Yeah? Then if you have questions, just send us a mail and we will answer next Friday. Okay?
Well, today I will talk about crystalline and reduction at the same time in the gas kiln firing.
Yes, reduction and crystalline at the high temperature in the gas kiln.
Now I take the phone.
Yes, just to show you a few things.
Here you can see this, and this are the same glaze. This oxidation.
Yeah, close up to see the crystals. White in oxidation firing.
The background is cream. It's titanium opaque glaze. This one is porphyry reduction.
Yes.
The same glaze. After firing, I put the pot in the Raku kiln. I'll talk about this.
Yeah. Then if you take this piece and you put in a Raku kiln, or if you do a post-reaction firing, you can get these colors. Yeah.
This one is the same, but the reduction is in the high temperature. When the crystals form it, in this point, this alloy in oxidation, this and this one growing in reduction atmosphere.
Yeah, it's not possible to put this one again in a kiln and get these results.
Different.
From here to here, you can do that with a post-reduction firing. It's the same glaze, yeah, and with this glaze, the same one. To do this, you can only get this doing crystalline and reduction at the same time in a high temperature. We will show you later a PowerPoint with different recipes and firing schedules. Yeah.
Well, it's not easy. Why? What happens if you have we talk about this. The crystalline glazes need controlled temperature and controlled atmosphere. The crystal grow better with oxygen in the kiln. In the gas kiln, we have combustion inside. It's a neutral atmosphere. You understand? Later, the crystals growing. Look, you can see here with the stress. Usually growing different, like stars, more complex. But the crystals need oxygen. There aren't too much oxygen in the kiln. They grow with strange forms.
Yeah, and if you can see these bubbles, these specks.
This is not crystals. It's similar oil spot effect.
It's one red, black.
Red iron changed to black iron.
Yes, when red iron lose oxygen and then becomes black iron oxide. Yeah.
Okay. What happens? Another thing. It's not easy. You have the chimney, and you must control the temperature, but the calories, the temperature go out for the chimney. It's different than 1 kilo electric. You can see now. And another thing is a bad dirty combustion.
Yeah.
And sometimes you can have these problems on the pots.
Yeah, with electric kiln,
usually
always is clean, and usually you mustn't have problems like that. But with a gas kiln, if the burners are not clean, or if in the chimney is not clean,
or the kiln. But the burners, when you put pressure inside the kiln, many things fly for the kiln.
In the kiln, yeah.
And sometimes go on the pots, on the glaze.
Yeah.
Be careful. Okay. Now I will show you the kiln.
Yes. We'll show you again a little bit the studio, yeah. This is an ancient wheel. It's typical from here, but it's not working, but full of pieces now. Yeah. Because somebody asked it the other day. And
this is my gas kiln. Okay, you can see. This one is 450 liters. Oops. Look. Usually, you can use for crystalline 2 floors or 1 floor. Here I have 2 pyrometers, 1 and 2. You can control the temperature. You can see here the up
To
and
control
down.
the temperature, yeah?
Some people only have 1 pyrometer. It's better you have 2 and you can control better. But here you can see the chimney.
Here
in
is
the
the
top.
chimney, yeah?
Well, this, you can see this.
Yeah.
I put in the center this, ¿cómo se dice columna? I don't know.
He used this and put this here just to protect the pieces.
Yeah, but sometimes for the chimney, go down back thin. You can see in the top.
Yeah.
Look.
It's not clean, yeah.
It's not clean. You can see this is for protect and for control the temperature. When the temperature go out, this keep the temperature in this part on the pots. Okay. This kiln I have 4 burners. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. Okay, and there's a circular. You know, some people have good results with inverter flame. You know.
Yeah, we have a friend in Japan, and she's working with inverted flame, and that works too. Yeah. It is just the control of the kiln. You must know your kiln, and you must control. Yeah. Then you can do this technique with many different kilns. Yeah. With gas, but many different kilns. We have a friend too in Australia, and he works with a Raku kiln, well protected to go to high temperature, but is Raku kiln modified that can work too.
Here you can see in the top, I have this. The name is caldera. I can control the flame, the color in this part. Okay.
It's important to know the color of the flame. Like that, you can control the gas that there are in the kiln. Yeah. Okay. And all this kiln is hand control. Yeah. This is here the burners, and no program to do that. It's hand control. Yeah.
Okay. I use the phone for
to control the time.
Yeah. Look. This is usually it's like a Raku. This is air, just primary air. When the most important for reduction for firings in gas kiln, when you go up in the ramp up in oxidation, and if you can see
an air open,
if you can see flame when you go up, or smell something, smell monoxide.
That no good is not going in oxidation. Yeah.
Okay. The reduction is in the holding.
Yeah, holding and ramped down.
Yeah. Now.
Okay.
I will show you the PowerPoint. Wow. There's one. ¿Alguna pregunta de algo? Sí.
Gasket, ¿no? Sí, ya no sé qué. Sí.
Espero que te esté malamente.
Okay. Crystalline glazes in gas kiln. Reduction firing and crystalline at the same time. Here is just a few pictures to see the kiln that you have seen before.
See here.
You can see.
I put the pots. This protect the dirty thing of the chimney and is important. But many times the chimney can go on the pots bad things. Yeah, you can see.
Now you can see a number. Here is there are 3 different firing schedules.
Yeah.
Yeah. I show you.
Okay.
Okay.
Just to show.
Yeah, this is firing number 1.
Yeah, and now you can see 3 different firings. Later, we will show you different recipes and pictures explaining which firing Jose used to do this recipe. Yeah, then this number is important. It's the name, the number of the firing. Yeah.
Well, it's usually this kiln is very strong, but if you spend more time, forget the peak temperature. No, it not happen. Huh? This one is in 5 hours. I get 1280. Keep 10 minutes in the top. This is very important here. Natural cold to. You must spend 45 minutes for natural cold. This is important, but in the electric kiln, usually the kiln spends 45 minutes for get the holding. But in the gas, you have the chimney. And if you don't close the chimney, go down very fast. Be careful.
Then you must close the chimney.
When you get this temperature, you finish 10 minutes. Later, you must close the chimney for go down slowly.
Yeah, and go down to 1085.
The sound is good. Nobody asking nothing. Okay.
Okay. Then, and all of this must be in oxidation firing.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have not started the reduction firing yet. Yeah. Then
later, natural cold to 1000. You must close in this part. But here is not necessary.
It's just to go down. Just to go down to 1085.
Yes. Okay, this is the 45 minutes and 1085. You can see here. Is this part, small one? I show you last day. It's for fix the structure of the crystals, 45 minutes. Here is 2 hours in this part. Okay, just to the blue crystal ring. And later, go fast when 1085 and start the reduction. In this part, blue, and natural cold 1050 and 1 hour in reduction more. In reduction is 1 hour and a half. Okay, it's not easy, but okay. I think yes, the second one.
Here, the firing number 2.
This is more easy.
Yeah.
Okay, the crystal is more simple, but it's nice too. Can see.
You can see in 5 hours go to 1290. Then keep 10 minutes in oxidation firing. Then the same, in 45 minutes go to 1090. Then you must close the chimney to control. Later we will show you all the glazes. Now we are just explaining the firings. Yeah, but later, no worry, you get all. You get the firing and the recipe of the glaze. Yeah. Then after that, begin the reduction. Keep from 1090, 3 minutes in reduction firing.
Okay, and natural cold to 1055 and 1 hour for reduction. This part, the last part. You can see here. This part. Okay, reduction. A little more, but it's this part. It's not necessary more time. The reduction must be not too much strong. Red, blue flame. If you have orange flame, usually burned.
Yeah, burned. If the pieces are burned, you can't repeat.
Yeah,
you can't play again and try again. No, if it's burned,
no working.
It's don't repeat, don't works. Yeah. And here the firing number 3.
This is more, but look, the results are very spectacular. This is just iron, eh?
In the recipe, but
3-dimensional, 3 colors in the crystal. It's very interesting. This one is more easy. In 5 hours and 50 minutes, 1280. Keep 10 minutes. Natural cold to 1100,
Again, here,
45 minutes.
close the chimney and spend 45 minutes to go to 1100.
Of course, when you get this temperature, you must open the chimney.
Yeah, always.
And 3 hours and a half in oxidation, natural cold 110 degrees, and 1 hour 50 minutes in reduction.
Remember, it's not possible to do oxidation firing if the chimney are closed.
Yeah.
Then it's only possible to close the chimney when the kiln is not working. It's just going down slowly, just to control.
Well, yeah.
Here we start with the recipes. You can see here is one recipe with 3110, and the firing to get this result is the firing number 1. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
See?
Then it's easy. You know all of this piece. Okay.
All the glazes are very similar. Another thing, lepidolite. You can see in many recipes lepidolite. Lepidolite is like a lithium, but cheaper than lithium. It's very, very cheap.
You can use lithium too.
Yeah, but in some countries it's difficult to get, but it's not nothing important. Okay, you don't have, no worries. But nothing happens.
And CMC, always, Jose use CMC for the application.
Many recipes with 3110 frit.
No, this is firing number 1.
Reduction.
You know the firing number 1
This
now.
is reduction.
Some part is oxidation, later reduction. Yeah.
What happens if you do these glazes in oxidation?
The pieces are white.
White or cream.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can do these recipes in oxidation firing,
but
then the pieces are white, like a bone, cream. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Here another recipe, and you can see this one with firing number 2. Yeah. Yes. To go down when the chimney are closed, the burners are off.
Yeah, see, of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, because if the burners are on, then is it possible to get oxidation? Then you get reduction. Chimney closed, burners on, not good. No, it's not oxidation. Yeah, then yes. Here you can see a nice glaze. Yeah.
Tricolor crystals, very interesting. Sometimes it's not easy, sometimes working, but of course the control. I don't have what is the name? OxyPro. I must control the color with the flame, and sometimes if the weather is important too. If rain, the result will be different.
Yeah. Then it's difficult to get exactly the same results firing after firing. Yeah. Because we must do all with hand control with the eyes to see what happens. Yeah. Here another one, firing number 2.
Yeah.
You can see it's black and gold, but we have others more black maybe.
Yeah. This you can see in the top is a little blue.
Yes. But it's more dark blue than black. Yeah.
Yeah. See, same amount.
Yeah, same amount. Yeah.
Okay. Here you can see I changed the titanium for rutile. When rutile you get more black and gold.
Yeah.
With titanium is more blue and silver, and with rutile is more black and gold.
Here another one.
Yeah.
You can see the same firing number 2. Yeah. Jose don't set the crystals. He showed you how to do that, but he don't do. Sometimes in one piece, maybe to try something, but no, Jose don't do. Always is just apply the glaze and see what happens. Yeah. Here another one.
This is very interesting.
It's very nice too.
Very nice. This is ilmenite and rutile. That means the ilmenite is in powder.
Yes, ilmenite always must be in powder.
And rutile too.
Not like sand.
No.
If not, don't works. Not.
This
not so
is a little dark, but look, very nice. Interesting. Many colors, huh? Are the in the gas kiln, the glazes are the more quality than electric.
No sé.
Okay.
Here another one.
This one
This is interesting too. This one with manganese.
yes, the crystals are the best ones for me. Very, very.
With manganese are very interesting crystals.
Yeah, a little of iron too. You want to have this in the background. Specs very interesting. Is a little of iron, eh?
Yeah, and the structure of the crystals are nice.
Interesting.
Are interesting.
You can see.
Here another one. Many recipes. Yeah. Then some ones more dark or the more clear. Yeah, it depends.
Okay, this one you can see the amount of manganese is big, and later it's more difficult to reduce. But this is interesting glaze too. It's not my favorite, but look.
The crystals are very special, yeah.
Okay.
Here, another one.
Another one.
This is nice.
Item number 3. 2 big crystals.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry, the last question. You can repeat, please. I can see. Look, with this is different. A little different. The firing shell is different.
And you can see many recipes with 3110. And then it's...
The last question I can see. Sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
You can.
Yeah, remember, sometimes we can see the question if another people write something, or we are moving the PowerPoint, then disappear. But don't be afraid. Send us a mail or write again, please.
Okay. This one, interesting too. The crystals are red, some crystals. Look, and it's difficult to see. This one is big. And in the background, many crystals. This is one, yeah, here another. Many crystals. What happens? This one is the number 3, and the last reduction is in 1000. And later, the glaze is too much viscose, and many crystals in the background appear.
Yeah. Then it depends of the firing you use. You can get one result or one another. You can use, of course, this recipe with the firing number 1. Then the results are different. Yeah.
Very different.
But you can try.
Okay.
Here is with the Frit 1510.
The color is nice. Look. This pot, I think it's stoneware pot. It's nice. Too black. Look, the ring. Too black. It's nice, this one. Sometimes too many crystals with this Frit. Difficult to control.
Yeah.
Okay, another one.
Here another one with the same Frit and firing number 2. Yeah. Remember, you can use Frit 1510.
Over there, 109.
Yeah, okay. We explained it when we was talking about the Frits, you know. And if you can't find these Frits in your country, of course, you can ask to our suppliers. It's expensive, yes, but they can send everywhere. It's the same when Jose needs 644. We must buy it in United States.
Yeah.
Our supplier buys, but it's expensive for us, but it's the same. If you want, you can get it.
If you pay, you can
get it.
Okay, this one, the ilmenite. You can see the ilmenite. Here, look. Is the small, look, in this part. Difficult to see. This is the ilmenite. Sometimes it's not melting.
Yeah, with the glaze, and
sometimes you can see. It's interesting. It's like a Venturin effect. It's not a Venturin, but
yeah, but it's interesting. It's nice.
Yeah, look the crystals, black and gold in this part. This is black and gold.
Yeah, this one is black and gold.
Yeah, it's really black and gold. Okay, another 2 black.
Yes, ilmenite in powder. Yeah.
Yeah, see. In Spain,
not in sand.
For example, in Spain, it's difficult to get. I bought this in England, and they sent me. But with 1 kilo, you have for many times. Okay, it's not here. You can see are very similar. Okay, but this is not too much nice. Many crystals, but well, it's interesting.
Yeah, crystals
too
are
dark.
dark, but with a nice light is
It's nice.
very elegant. Yeah.
Sí. Okay, another, this one.
With another frit, with 413. Yeah.
This is the blue is very electric, strong,
Yeah.
and the crystals are fantastic.
Look, very nice. This is very interesting blue, and the crystal are very, ¿cómo se dice? Glossy? Brillantes, I don't know.
Very shiny. Yeah.
Yeah. It's nice. Another one with 413, but you can see many similar one glaze with another. I try copper in high temperature and reduction and crystalline at the same time, and don't work. Bubbles in the glaze is impossible. With titanium is more easy.
Yeah, now Jose is just doing post-reduction firings with copper and reduction in a high temperature with titanium, ilmenite, rutile, manganese. Yeah,
you can mix, you can play. Huh? Okay, this one, another very interesting. This is beautiful.
Number 3. Okay, and look in the background. Look at the crystals are black, but very beautiful.
Very black crystals, gold, silver alloy. Yeah,
and purple background.
And is a little bit satinate. Is interesting.
Yeah, you can see it's a little satinate, not too much. Some parts. Okay,
another one.
644.
Always big crystals.
Yeah, too much. And
maybe too big in this one.
Yeah, and flat. Look, I talk about this. Are very flat.
Yeah, with 644, remember the crystals are not three-dimensional. Don't give the effect of other frits. Yeah, if you have seen the recipes with 3110, 1510, and 413, and you have seen the crystals maybe are more interesting than 644 in reduction firing. Yeah. Here another one. This is black crystals too.
And silver and blue background.
Yeah. This is special too.
Yeah.
Firing number 1. Okay.
And this one.
This one is very interesting. It's mixing 2 frits.
Yeah.
And it's black and gold.
But it's like a tiger edge.
Tiger A.
Look.
Yeah, the crystals are really nice.
But the problem sometimes cracks in the background. Yeah. Usually I don't have it with this combo. Yes, sometimes, and sometimes cracks in the crystals too, in this part, and some cracks, but sometimes happens. But the color is very interesting.
Here another one is mixing 2 frits too.
Yeah, this is very nice too. This is really nice. Look at the background, many.
Yeah, it's very interesting, and you can see the crystals are really nice.
Yeah. Okay.
Here is just to see the difference of different crystals, just modifying the frit.
Yeah, the recipe is the same. In the first line are 3110, and the second one 151.
Yeah. Then you can see modifying the frit, the results are different. Yeah. Okay. Here again.
Similar.
Yeah. Just modifying the frit, the crystals change a lot. Well, now we can talk about refirings. If one piece is not good, you can refire. Yeah, you can try to.
Very important. Very important. You must take off the capture, the pedestal, and use a new one. Clean. You must clean the bottom, a new one, and glazing.
Yes, and you need to glaze again the piece. Okay. Then always when you need to glaze, you need a catcher and a collector.
Yeah, new.
And don't reuse. Then throw away the first one and use a new one. Okay?
But it's not sometimes broken and many problems in the kiln. Be careful. Okay.
Because you can refire using the same firing or a different firing and
The
using
glaze.
the same glaze or using another glaze. Yeah, that doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Sometimes with the refirings you can get very nice results.
Yeah, but it's very difficult to repeat.
Yeah, that's sure. And
Sí. Okay, very important for reglaze. You must change the amount of water for Coca-Cola.
yeah, then just when you mix the glaze for a refiring, don't use water. Use Coca-Cola
Yeah,
or Pepsi.
it's the same.
Okay, it's because there are sugar
Yeah,
and it's better for the application of the glaze.
and maybe you put the glaze with CMC or without CMC, and you can see, look, oh, looks well, no problem. When the piece gets 400 degrees, all the glaze
Go down. There's a
problems.
okay. Problem with the glaze.
With the sugar, the Coca-Cola, the glaze keep
in the piece.
in the piece and no problems.
And you can do that always when you do a refiring in reduction or in oxidation firing, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
This tip is important. Just change water for Coca-Cola.
Tomorrow, Friday we talk more.
A little bit more, yeah, but it's important, yeah.
Well,
here, ilmenite and rutile, yeah. You can see the difference. Okay, different crystals.
the fruit is different, change a little.
Yeah.
Here.
Here more, yeah.
No, one. If you change the glaze, it changes a lot. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rutile and iron too. You can see always changing something gives different results. Yeah.
Okay. Here I talk about the specs. You use iron. This effect on spot. You can see this effect
appears, yeah. But always only when you use iron.
If you don't use iron, no, this effect
don't work. Yeah, it's just with iron that gives the this effect. Yes.
Okay, another question. Many people, if you do the reduction too strong.
Yes, there are very different with changing, modifying the frit, modifying the firing, modifying the body. All gives different results, always. Yeah. In oxidation and in reduction firings. In my kiln or in your kiln, all gives different results. Yeah. It's for that you need to see what happens, control your kiln, and then adjust the recipe or the firing to get the results you are looking for.
Of course, the control, the stability, the control the kiln is more difficult in the gas. Okay, you have 4 burners and you must stay holding 3 hours in the same temperature. You must stay close to the kiln. You must check the kiln.
Yeah.
But if not, the kiln go up or go down. It's different.
Yeah, you must control. With the electric kiln, you have a program. You use the program and go to sleep. Yeah, but with the gas, no. You must be there all the time. Yeah.
Yes.
If you must go to one temperature and the kiln is going down too fast or going up too fast, then all change or maybe don't work. Okay.
And of course, when you start the reduction, the temperature change a lot. Go up, and after go down, you must control.
Yeah.
Maybe that the 10 first firing in reduction will be difficult, and later.
Yeah, when you understand the process and the kiln, yeah, then you can repeat easily. Yeah.
Of course, after look here, this is important. The iron, more protect. If not, sometimes the color are burned.
Yeah.
Okay. Here the bodies.
Yes, talking about the bodies. Yeah.
What happens is you use stronger, more crystals. This one is stoneware, and this one is porcelain. Same glaze, same file, but the results are different. More crystals in the stoneware.
Yeah.
Okay, and more reduction usually in the porcelain body. And here
is just to remember, post-reduction firings is not the same that these firings we are talking about now. This is in a low temperature, but you get all the information here. More examples, but
bismuth reduction.
this one is with bismuth. Yeah.
This is the first one.
Oxidation, and then
this is bismuth. Nice effect.
Yeah. Okay.
Oops. Finish.
That's all. It's finished for today. We hope you enjoy it, the last lesson. And please, if you have questions, send us a mail, and we will work with that next Friday. Yeah.
Look, with rutile. This is rutile. A little of copper, but very small amount. And this is with titanium. If you use the glazers, this PowerPoint in oxidation, you will get this.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If you are looking for this, must be in
Gas.
yeah.
Gas. Okay. And post-fire, this one.
We haven't got a shop here. It's just the studio. We can show you the outside. Is the entry of our house. Nothing special. Yeah. But maybe we have time on Friday. We can show you more. But
of course, send me emails with your questions, and we will try to answer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jose loves oxidations, reductions, acids, all. He loves to don't repeat the same and to investigate and to find something different.
These are for sale and the best ones.
Yeah. Usually these ones works nice in our markets because not a lot of people are doing that.
Many people ask me the black and gold, but the people like this.
Yeah.
Blue and silver.
Yeah, works better for us. For us, usually in France, we sell more this than the others. But we have not a preference, yeah? Jose like the galaxies, the post-reductions, yeah, all. And if you have questions, remember to send us a mail.